Hello everyone, welcome to CodeChef. Myself Jala Chaurasi and today we are going to solve the problem which came into starters 202. The name of the problem is two rolls and the problem code is two roll. The difficulty rating of the problem is cakewalk and the prerequisite is adopt. Let's start with reading the problem statement over here. So guys, problem says Chef is playing a board game and is currently at position X. To win, he needs to reach position 50. Chef has a pair of six-sided dice which will decide how he moves. He will roll the pair of dice, sum up the number on them, and then move exactly that many steps forward. More precisely, if the dice shows value of d1 and d2, chef must move from x to x plus d1 plus d2. However, chef's dice are a bit weird. Rather than starting from 1, they start from y. That is, the value on a single die are y, y plus 1, y plus 2, y plus 3, y plus 4, y plus 5. Is it possible for chef to win the game by reaching position 50 after exactly one turn? Note that chef must exactly land on position 50 after his move. After going beyond, it does not count as a win. Input format. The first line of input will contain a single integer t denoting the number of test cases. The first and only line of each test case contains two space-separate integers x and y, where x represents the current position of chef and the y the starting value on the dice, respectively. Output format for each test case. Output on the new line, yes, a chef can reach position 50 in exactly one turn and no otherwise. Each character of the output may be printed in either uppercase or lowercase. Constraint for t lies from 1 to 2500. For x lies from 1 to 50. For y lies from 1 to 50. So guys, now let's understand the sample test case and the question more precisely over here. So guys, this question is pretty much straightforward. It says that chef is playing a board game and is currently at position X. So when he needs to reach position 50, chef has a pair of six-sided dice which will decide how he moves. He will roll the pair of dice, sum up the number on them, and then move exactly that many steps forward. More precisely, if the dice shows value of d1 and d2, chef must move from x to x plus d1 plus d2, right? So, however, chef's dice are a bit weird, right? So, rather than starting from 1, they start from y. So, that is the value of single die would be y to y plus 1 till y plus 5, up to total 6 basically. Is it possible for chef to win the game by reaching position 50 after exactly one turn or not? We have to get that. Let's take the first test case. We have got x, y, 46, and the first number on the dice is 1. Okay, so chef is at x equals to 46 and needs to reach 50, right? In one turn. So the dice value starts from this to 6, right? So if it takes 1 comma 3, right? So there are some basically 46 plus this d1 plus d2 will get you 50, right? So yeah, this is 1 plus 3, which is 4. 46 plus 4, which will get me 50. So yeah, it is possible in one turn for this test case. So output is yes. Now let's take the another test case, guys. Sorry. So the another test case is where x, y is 36, 1. Okay. So chef is at x equal to 36 and needs to reach 50. Okay. So the dice have the value from 1 to 6, right? And any of the possible move is not possible, will not make it possible to reach 50. So output is no. So guys, I think the test cases are pretty much clear. Now let's move toward the simple solution. So both dice will roll a value in y comma y plus 5. So the minimum possible number of steps that you will move is when both dice roll y for 2y steps. Similarly, the maximum number of steps that can be moved is 2 times of y plus 5, which is equal to 2 times of y plus 10. This means that if x plus 2 times of y is greater than 50, it is not possible to end up exactly 50. You will always end up after it. If x plus 2 times of y plus 10 is lesser than 50, it's again not possible to end up at 50. You will never again even reach it. So that leaves the case x plus 2 times of y is lesser than equal to 50, lesser than equal to x plus 2y plus 10. In this case, it's always possible to reach 50 because the dice consist of consecutive integers. For example, start with both dice rolling y, so you end up at x plus 2y. Now repeatedly increase the value rolled on one of the dice as long as you don't exceed y plus 5, of course. This is guaranteed to reach 50 at some point because you start before 50 and end after it. And moving one step at time, nothing can be skipped. So guys, I think the solution is pretty much clear. Now let's move toward the simple C++ code for the question. So guys, this is my simple C++ code for the question. I took the input for all the test cases as well as xy. I checking the condition over here in this if case, if x plus 2 times of 5 is lesser than 50 and 50 is lesser than equal to x plus 2 times of 5 plus 10. In that case, I will simply print yes. In other case, I will simply print no. And as you can see that guys, I have got my C++ code right now. Let's move to the Python code. So guys, this is my similar Python code. I took the input for all the test cases as well as x comma y. I am printing yes if x plus 2 times of 5 is lesser than equal to 50, lesser than equal to x plus 2 times of 5 plus 10. In all the other case, I will simply print no. And as you can see that guys, I have got my Python code right. So guys, I think the solution, the code and the approach was pretty much clear. Now let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much guys for watching our videos.